Ready to brighten things up? Today, we're diving into the tropical side of the summer afternoon release.
From hibiscus clusters to hummingbirds and postage stamps, this group brings a splash of sunshine and a touch of whimsy to any card.
Let's kick things off with the Tropical Flowers Stencil, an easy way to add bright, breezy blooms to your postage-themed cards.
Like the rest of our Postage Collage stencil line, the Tropical Flower Stencil works with both the original Postage Collage die and blocks die. Each window features a different tropical flower, and the etched color suggestions on each layer help you build a vibrant panel with ease. There are 2 layers for the flowers and 2 for the leaves. For extra depth, use the block stencil or coloring stencil to darken the edges of the window. This helps create a nice contrast for the background. Have fun picking a cardstock for your base, stamp in some postmark details, add extra die cuts on top, or trim the stamps apart to build your own collage.
Next up is a Hibiscus Cluster Die and its coordinating stencil, a fun combo for adding color and texture to your card fronts.
Like many of our texture dies, the Hibiscus Cluster Die has a coordinating coloring stencil. You can get them separately or as a bundle for extra savings. Start by die cutting the clusters from white cardstock, then place it on your grip mat and use the stencils to hold it in place while you ink blend. Use your finger to gently hold down the flower centers as you blend the first stencil layer for the petals. If you happen to smudge the ink, no worries. Cover it up with the 2 extra flower center dies included in this set. The second stencil adds the shadow layer to the petals for a bit more depth. The third stencil colors in the base layers of the leaves. You can use a shader brush to darken the edges for more variation. The last stencil adds shadow to the stems and flower centers. Try using extra flower centers to give your finished design more dimension. This die-and-stencil set pairs beautifully with all kinds of sentiments. You can keep it subtle for a soft background or go bold for a high contrast colors to make it stand out. Use the panel as is or trim the flowers apart to create your own arrangements, or even a gatefold card.
Now let's bring in some movement with the Hummingbirds Die. 3 sweet birds with layered details you can die cut and ink blend.
The Hummingbird die set includes 3 different hummingbirds, each with 3 layers you can stack for a dimensional look. Each die is labeled with letters and numbers along with shade suggestions to help guide your color choices. For ink blending, the layers have etched details, making it easy to blend soft color transitions right on the die cuts. The numbers show you the stacking order. For example, A2 goes on top of A1 and A3 on top of A2. You'll find the same system for birds B and C. These sweet little birds are perfect for adding a charming touch to any nature or floral themed card.
Here's another bird-themed set to explore. Meet the Birdie Duo Die-n-stencil, a playful pair to mix into your scenes.
The Birdie Duo Die-n-stencil includes 2 mirrored birds that can both be colored using the same stencil. For your first try, we recommend following the suggested order and colors. Just clean and flip the stencil to color the mirrored bird. In step 2, you'll see yellow and orange. Start with yellow as your base, then swipe in orange from the top or bottom to create a nice gradation. Step 3 is similar. Lay down a base of gray, then swipe some black ink from the corners to add depth. Step 4 adds contrast. Try using a darker shade in the same color family you used in step 2. Of course, you're not limited to the colors shown. We even tried a fun pink version inspired by a photo we found online. These classic birds are great for everyday scenes, and they work beautifully for framing sentiments or creating natural arrangements on your cards.
And to wrap up today's intro, we have the Hibiscus Branch Die, a great set for building layered tropical arrangements to match everything you've seen so far.
Build vibrant floral arrangements with this layering die set featuring blooming hibiscus flowers and graceful tropical branches. Each piece is designed for easy assembly. Just layer the leaves, branches, and flower centers in simple steps. Perfect for card fronts, collages, or tropical theme projects. This set also pairs beautifully with the birds and floral stencils from our summer afternoon release.
And those fun little sentiments you've seen on the samples, they're all from the new Subsentiments Aloha Diecut.
Just like our other sub-sentiment die cuts, just tear off a strip or two to use as your sentiments. For a polished look, trim the connecting points with scissors and darken the edges with a black marker. See the difference?
That wraps up Intro Day 2, where we brightened things up with the tropical flowers and playful birds.
We started with the Postage Collage Tropical Flower Stencil, featuring tropical flowers and leaves that make it easy to add a vibrant look to your card.
Next, we added color and texture with the Hibiscus Cluster Die-n-stencil, perfect for soft ink blends or bold tropical vibes.
Then, we introduced the Hummingbirds Die, a trio of layering birds perfect for adding a charming touch to any nature or floral themed card.
To keep the bird theme going, we added the Birdie Duo Die-n-stencil, perfect for framing sentiments, building playful scenes, or adding a cheerful touch to any card.
We also shared the Hibiscus Branch Die, a versatile layering set for building custom tropical arrangements that pair beautifully with the rest of the release.
And finally, we wrapped it all together with the Subsentiments Aloha Diecut, ready to use strips that add a fun island-inspired finishing touch to any card.
For a chance to win today's giveaway, like this video and let us know in the comments which product from this intro you would choose if you win today's $50 gift certificate.
Check out our Instagram account for more chances to win.
All giveaway details are in the description below.
All new products will be available on August 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
check back tomorrow as we dive into stylish greetings and label accents to wrap up the summer afternoon release.
See you then, and happy crafting!